So our today topic is agriculture in Pakistan or all over the world. So if you every meal you eat is a miracle, but when you go 12,000 years ago, you have to chase or hunt for food to survive. This was a hunter-gatherer life. No homes, no towns, just following the food. But then, a place called Fertile Crescent changed everything. For a long time, they just hunt and eat. But then, they come to know that if we put a seed in mud, it grows and we can grow plants and crops. But for a long time, farming was just subsistence farming. In a fancy way, saying just grow for yourself and your family, not for others. In the 17th century, we had commercial farming. The inventors invented the machines like drones and more facilities to grow the crops faster. They invented machines so that they can be crops could be grow faster and in a manner way called crop rotation and other ways to grow crops in a more large amount. Here comes the commercial farming, the commercial agriculture. They found the one land that feeded all the city called commercial farming. Not if we found a berry in one place, if it ends to move one place to another, that is not a solution. You have to grow your own crops. They invented machines and like methods like crop rotation that make the crop growth easier than the before in Asia. Europe was very advanced and one step ahead of Asia and other regions. One farm feed all the city, that was commercial farming, and from here the thing commercial farming started. Food was a fuel for industrial revolution. People left the crop yields and everything and moved to other city and towns. From here the modern world start. Here we see intensive farming because there are very less land and each of the land inch is used because there are billion of people and farmers have who are the person who feed them, but in a small scale in Asia. When we fly across the ocean, we reach America. We don't use hundred of people. Rather than using hundred of people, we use advanced technology called GPS to overlook the crop rotation and how the soil is and how the crop is. Giant machines and drones to overlook. Our planet is getting hotter and hotter. How do we feed the 10 million people out there? We are moving the farms inside and using smart technology to save water.
The future of farming is here. Vertical farms use less water and produce more, a sustainable technological revolution.
Scientists are growing food where we are learning and even we don't thought about it that we can also grow the crops in this way. Science are evolving and they are using smart technology, as I mentioned, drones and many giant machines, and converting this in inner farming using to save water. Agriculture is the oldest story, from a small seed in the mud to a robotic smart technology that we have now in the future generations. It can be more advanced. Next time you take a bite of your lunch, think that it take thousands of years to make it and to reach here, so we can easily have food in our homes. Thank farmers don't think like a poor small person. They think they are the CEOs of the farming and think more advancedly to grow easily by using fertilizer, pesticides and more methods, crop rotation, seed drill and many more methods to grow seed faster and to feed more people as the population is growing faster and our planet is getting hotter and hotter, overcrowded, and how we will feed that 10 million people outside there. Simply burn the crop and plant the new seed so that they can enjoy multiple rich fruits or vegetables in their life. For today's video, hope you like the video. Bye.